channel. In this video I'm gonna talk you about new Drunk Elephant holiday boxes. I had to say that I really love Drunk Elephant. I had the possibility to try the Lidls since I won a box of their set, and I really enjoyed these products so much. They are so close to my skincare philosophy. And for the ones that are new to Drunk Elephant, I wanna say that I have a very sensitive skin. When I was young, I was very acne prone, and I have to fight with scars with my skin. I'm used to AHA, BHA, vitamin A treatment. It's something strange for sensitive skin, but it does tolerate them so well. Instead, some hydrating serum or other kind of cream can irritate my skin so much, so it really depends by the formulation. I know Drunk Elephant pays so much attention about the formula, the ingredients, and maybe it's the key why my skin really loves every product from Drunk Elephant I tried so far. And during this time of year, Drunk Elephant is used to release some holiday kits that in my opinion are so convenient. So if you're new to Drunk Elephant, I might suggest you to try the Lidls, because I think it's the better way to discover all the range from Drunk Elephant, and also to see how they work combined together, so you can really get into their skincare method, in my opinion. Instead, if you have already discovered some products of Drunk Elephant, or maybe there is a product you like the most, the kit they release, they are really convenient. So I was about to take the box with the C Firma serum. Instead, I took these little two boxes that are Rise and Glow. The C Firma serum and B Hydra serum. I took this mini size because C Firma serum contains vitamin C. It has a high level of vitamin C, so this formulation is very innovative in a way. And you see that vitamin C oxidizes very fast, so you have to be quite quick. So even if I use vitamin C quite every day, I use it for some period. So I decided to take the mini size, just because I don't have to take the full size open and to risk to make it oxidize. So this is why I took the mini size. And then I took the Midday Committee
Protini a Passioni by Idram and Slay, the makeup remover. It's a butter cleanser with a bamboo booster.
This is Drunk drawer. You see the packaging is very cute. I think Drunk Elephant is really brilliant about packaging.
Also with mirror here. Well, let's imagine to have a furniture only by Drunk Elephant, which could be so cute. And the drawer, let's open. So in this kit we have Protini, is a 30 ml, by Hydra is a 5 ml, and this is the size of a Slay butter cleanser with this mini bamboo booster. I like to see inside there are the bamboo powder. Really seems a soul shaker, and it's so cute. I tasted a little bit and I like it so much with the bamboo booster. And then a Passionia. This is a 10 ml. It seems a color tube.
These are the products I never tried except for Behydra. Passione is a retinol cream. Instead I use tretinoin, so this could be a light treatment for me, but I like to try because I heard very good opinions about it. Rotini, I got a little samples before and I really like it. I find myself to use this kind of kits so much because I mix several products. I could try them even if I stick to Byhydra, for example, because I got the full size.
So as you can see, here is the shelf control. There is the main product that is a TLC serum. This shelf contains everything you need for your nighttime skincare routine, but I can say that C Tango, the eye cream, and also Lala Retro are products that I use also in daytime. In my opinion, it's a very great kit because you have this 30 ml of TLC serum and the other products in a little size. So it's a real shelf, and here is the mirror, and let's open it, and you see TLC, C Tango, the cleanser, marula oil, and Lala Retro. It's a beautiful kit. So here is the main product. You can see like this. It's very cute. Here is the Rise and Glow set with Byhydra and Firma serum, and in this case Byhydra is a 8 ml instead in this kit is a 5 ml. So let's open. You can see the elephant on the top. Here we go. As I said before, this formula is very particular because it's got L-ascorbic acid with 15%, so it's a very great formula.
So I hope this video could be helpful for you. Let me know if you are going to buy any drunkelephant kits or what are you gonna buy for these holidays, makeup, skincare. Let me know. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!